Hi everyone, today I am here to talk about how to hack memory. Yes, how to hack memory of your target audience or the audience at large through one fundamental foundational element, which is branding. Yes, and then we also talk about why boring wins. That means the ROI of consistent branding. A lot of consistent brands that we have been going through or have been witnessing for decades now have been considered boring by a lot of new age strategists and modern day marketers, but we have to understand that their consistency is the reason that makes them worthy enough, or that is a strategy that how they have been hacking memory. But in this video, we'll be listing down what is the ROI of consistent branding and why boring wins. Let me begin with an example, where I finished one of my YouTube videos and one of the CEO of a organization that we serve as an integrated branding agency reached out to me and just messaged first, and then it turned into a telephonic conversation where he mentioned, why Jigyasa do you think that it is necessary to do such videos, because it is too much of time and effort? Do you think they are worthy enough? Are people really watching? My answer was no. But then I also know the winning streak around the YouTube videos that we've been doing. We have done, close to 54 videos in 1 year. That means weekly one video without a miss. That was our brand growth idea series. Now we are continuing on branding, performance marketing, industry driven videos. So his question was bang on, because YouTube videos and the YouTubers, the amount of YouTubers we know, it is very time taking and effort taking activity, but is it worthy enough? My answer there was the consistency wins there. Why? Because I am not creating something which is funny, which is meme like, which is interesting to all, but I am creating something which is meant for the people who believe in the value of branding. I am creating something which is for the CMOs or the founders who understand the importance and significance of brand marketing, branding, and that is why they are the people who listen to the videos. There are founders who reach out to us. There are even inbound calls where people told us that they found us through a YouTube video, or they came across a video, and that's how they are reaching out to our agency, because they heard something which talked about their particular pain point and they are expecting a solution from us. He was pretty much convinced, and that is what I wanted to share with you, because with all this consistent effort in our branding, one thing which is going ahead with all the marketing sides we are doing, if we are increasing the social media channel distribution, if we are publishing on multiple videos, one thing that remained was our consistency to branding, and that's what is the tactic to hacking memory, and that is why it is very significant. If I talk about other brands, like Amul, we all love Amul, but consistency or the ROI of consistent branding is Amul is doing newsjacking as their primary marketing communication or the brand communication strategy for decades now. We've been loving it. The brand did evolve. They were earlier doing the newsjackings in newspapers or outdoor media. They quickly shifted to social media. They're all over the places. They still go viral and they are loved across ages. So again, consistency. Vico Vajradanti, if you remember, or if we talk about the likes of Bata, or if we talk about the likes of BoroPlus, for instance. So the brands have evolved. You will see a little bit of change in their packaging, or the variants have evolved, or Bata has started endorsing more licensed brand, but the messaging, the branding, everything remained consistent. Nothing changed there. So even if they are adding new customers, even if they are penetrating newer markets, the consistency here stayed, and that is why they have the winning streaks. Now, what could be the clear output, of consistent branding? What is the ROI in terms of marketing deliverables? Let us just talk about it. Well, the ROI of consistent brand strategy results in few very significant yet very critical outputs of branding. The one, it strengthens your market position. Two, it slowly but steadily boosts your pricing power because the customer trust and credibility around the brand is ever evolving. A lot of consistent brands have reported an average revenue growth of almost 25% on account of staying consistent across channels, and this percentage has gone up to 32% for a few brands. It brings a lot of operational alignment to your entire brand and marketing function, because when you are consistent, it is easy to manage your branding and marketing and even the campaigns or diversifications or extensions around your brand, whether you're working with in-house teams or branding agencies, advertising agencies, newspapers, vendors, printers, and almost all kind of vendors. So it also simplifies the KPIs around your marketing function. It results in higher customer retention because consistency always backs brand trust and credibility, and it also has led to lower customer acquisition costs. Of course, because when your brand remains consistent, that is how it is hacking the memory and hacking the top of mind recall also for your target audience, and that is why the customer acquisition costs go real time low. All this and more about branding in the upcoming videos. Thank you.